Well, welcome back to my channel. Let me unbox this for you because I know I did an unboxing of original AEM wideband, but when you come to realize the O2 sensor was defective, so I had to send it back. So since for me buying the same one again, I just decided to go with the X series. So let me just unbox it for you to show you what it looks like. Take it out, show you what it brings. Many brings the same thing. What's it called? Halves. Alright, you have your one that connects to the O2 sensor. This connects to the back of the wideband. This one connects back to the wideband, and this connects to ground and power. And then you have your that connects to the headers, like the screw. And then you have basically like a gasket, and then this comes with the butt connectors that connect here, so you can connect it to ground so that it wouldn't come out. And hopefully this one turns out to be good, because this is the O2 sensor and this is like 70 to 90 bucks. Alright, it comes lubed up a little bit. So basically this connects to here. This connects to the back of the wideband here, and this one connects to the back of the wideband there. And then yeah, you can use the butt connectors to connect the wire to ground and power, and it has a mode and I believe select. So hopefully this one works. You'll see it in my car soon. Stay tuned for more. It is morning. Shout out to High-End Auto Sports as the people that sold it. I bought it on Amazon. Here's their card. Shout out to Mike Thomas. But other than that, yep, let's go with another wideband. Alrighty guys, stay tuned for more. Deuces, peace. See ya. Don't wanna be ya. Adios.